Yet again, it's guess which object has been erased from the drawing. In this case, you'll notice the reception table has been removed from this office here, and an AutoCAD point on the points layer has been placed there instead. This is deliberate, and what we're going to do, we're going to utilize the circle command now to place a reception table in this office here. So, what do we do first? We always check our layer first. So, Home tab, Layer panel, click on the down arrow there to get the pull down menu, and we need to be on the furniture layer. Our reception table is a piece of furniture, so we put it on the respective layer, the furniture layer. Again, we'll zoom in a little bit, just roll in on the wheel mouse a bit so that we can see what we're doing. And what we're going to do now, this is going to be the center of our table there, that point. Now what we'll do, that's a sacrificial point, so we can delete that once we've placed the table, because there will be a center snap for the table once it's placed as a circle anyway. So let's have a look at this now. I'm going to show you two different types of circles. There are also many other types of circles in AutoCAD. Before we do anything though, we go down to OSnap on the status bar, right click, and we make sure that the node snap is on, because when we use our points, remember, it's a node snap. So node is on, it's got the blue square around it. So hit escape to lose the menu. Remember not to click on node because that will switch that snap off. So we now go up to the circle command. So there's the circle command there. The default, as you can see, is center radius. But if I click on the down arrow here on the flyout menu, as I said, lots of different types of circles for different environments, different occasions. Now if I use the center radius option here, the default option, it prompts me to specify a center point for my circle. Well, that's easy. I hover over the point there, the node snap is on, so it picks up the node snap, and I left click. As I move the mouse out now, you'll see the circle get bigger and smaller because I'm telling AutoCAD to make the radius bigger or smaller. But you'll also notice on the dynamic input now, you can see that I've got a distance box. That distance at the moment is a radius. So if I type in 500 millimeters for my radius and press enter, there's my reception table. So that's using center radius. Now you'll notice down there on the command line the words diameter in square brackets. That means that that word diameter is available on the shortcut menu. There are two ways of doing a center diameter circle. Let me show you. Let's select the circle here, and using the modify panel we'll erase it. The quickest way is to go to the flyout here, center diameter. Again, you're prompted for the center point. Hover over the point and get the node snap, left click, and now it prompts you for the diameter. And as you move out, you can see, look, the diameter now is slightly different. It looks different. Yeah? So I type in a diameter of 1,000, remember, because the diameter is 2 times the radius. Press enter, and I've got the same reception table, as you can see. Let's erase it one more time. Click on the circle. Click on erase. Make sure that you pick on the edge of the circle. You won't be able to select it if you move inside and try and pick it. So I'm going to go back now to here, click on the flyout, and I'm going to go center radius. Now you're thinking here, hang on a minute, he was talking about center diameter circles. I still am. Watch and learn what happens here. I still pick my center point here. So there's my node snap, and I left click. Now I am in center radius mode. You can see that there, yeah? Now if I right click on the shortcut menu, like so, I've got the diameter option there, or if I press escape there a second, I'm still in radius mode there. If I press the down arrow on the keyboard and utilize my dynamic input there, it remembers the last radius I put in. It also prompts me if I want to put a diameter in. So I've got two options here, okay, diameter or a 500 radius. If I select diameter there, it now goes into center diameter mode, prompts me for the diameter of the circle, which is 1,000, and enter. And there's my reception table again. Now the other trick, of course, is if I need to draw another one of these reception tables now, and I'll just do this quickly off the cuff over here in this space here. We will delete it afterwards. If I now go back to circle here, I'm in center radius mode, yeah? Click on center radius and come here and pick a center point. It remembers the last radius that I put in. If I just press enter, there's my 500 radius. So if I've got 50 or 60 reception tables to draw, I draw the first one, input the radius or the diameter, That's it. And then every time I draw a circle after that using center radius or respectively center diameter, it's center point and enter, because it remembers the last input put in. Very useful if you've got lots of circles to draw. So let's erase that. Click on the circle, click on erase, and as you can see there, the circle command, again, versatile, quick, and very easy to use.